Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve a mathematical expression 21 divided 3 divided 21 divided 3. It looks simple, but still many people fail to solve this because they write 21 divided by 3 7, 21 divided by 3 7 and 7 divided by 7 as 1, which is the incorrect answer because they did not take the right approach. When you have same operation repeating itself, then you have to solve it two digits at a time. So here 21 divided by 3, write the left out digits. 21 divided by 3 7, divided by 21 divided by 3. 7 divided by 21, we can write 7 by 21 divided by 3, which is equals to 1 by 3 divided by 3. Here what people do, cancel out the 3 with 3 and their answer is 1. No, you have to follow the KCF rule. Here K stands for keep, C stands for change and F stands for flip. That means keep the left hand, change the symbol from division to multiplication and flip the right hand. So it becomes 1 by 9. So what is the correct answer? 1 by 9, not 1. I hope it's clear and you learned something new. If you find it useful, don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.